Operate Loads allows you to pilot the operation of the appliance by controlling each component using the SmartHQ service app on your phone. Diagnostic tests let you isolate and operate subsystems of the GE appliance. Click Operate Loads and click Enter Service Mode to control the components of the refrigerator. It allows you to control the state of the water valves and activate the auger motor. For example, click on Crushed clockwise to rotate the auger motor in clockwise direction. It allows you to control the flow of water through the dispenser and isolation water valves. It allows you to control the rotation of the evaporator fan at a low, medium, or high speed. You can also turn lights on or off. Click Diagnostic Tests to exercise the subsystems of the washing machine. The ability to put the washer in the spin cycle allows you to verify that the spin cycle of the washer is operating correctly. And conversely, you can command the washer to enter the agitate cycle to analyze the agitate action. Being able to put the appliance into specific modes of operation, such as spin or agitate, allows you to troubleshoot the appliance efficiently. To perform the low flow test, click Test Pre-Checks and then click Start Test. This test verifies how much water is entering the tub of the washer in a given time. The graph indicates a change in water pressure as the tub of the washer fills. A water level of 7 inches is required within the test time limit to pass the low flow test. Operate Loads allows the technician to control the state of components of the GE appliance through the push of a button. Diagnostics Tests provides the ability to control the subsystems of GE appliances and facilitates detecting issues with different elements of operation.